Okay, here is what I just learned from calling iPage. So I have my Mailchimp account over here and I want to verify, I've already verified, so now I want an authentication for this. So I click the view setup and this is what I learned. And so we're going to click here and it teaches you two things. I had no clue what this was, though I realized it was something I should call iPage for. So I called them. And then we went into here. They told me to click under domains and then go to Domain Central. And then once you go in, I find my domain and I click on it. And then you go find DNS. So I guess that's where this part says DNS. So anyway, so you click on DNS. And then your host is this part right here. You copy paste. And then this part, you copy this. Oh, doing it one-handed. Oh, sorry. Let's see. There you go. I got it. Oh, come on. Sorry. And copy. Paste, click add, done correctly, yay, alias. Okay, then we create a text record right here, and I'm gonna go down here and create a text record for it, and I think I need to zoom this out a little bit. Here's my text record. So you copy paste this whole thing. Copy. Paste. Oops, did I get too much? There you go. Click add. Great. So it's added. I believe I did it correctly. This is what I just did with the other guy from iPage. And now it's going to take about 24 to 48 hours. So then in this case, I come back and if you see, so I'll go back. Click that, and it's not going to work right now, though it says remember it takes that. So I'm going to come back in like 2 days, make myself a reminder, and check it, and everything should go well. Okay, well, make sure you connect with Lauren's financial freedom journey, and I look forward to supporting you on yours. Aloha.